Today we will see one more example based on the order of a finite group and the order of the elements of a group. In this problem, it is stated that A, B and AB, this is a multiplication of A and B, these are three elements of a finite group and the order of each is 2, then we have to prove that AB equal to BA. It means the multiplication is commutative. So in other words, we can say that in this scenario, this group must be a abelian group with respect to multiplication. Because it is stated that the order of A, B and AB, these are 2. So we can write order of A equal to 2, order of B equal to 2, order of AB equal to 2. Since set 2 is the order of A, so if we apply power 2 on A, then obviously we will get an identity. So here we have assumed that E is an identity. So A square will be equal to identity, B square will be equal to identity, and similarly the element AB, the order of this element AB is also 2, so AB square will be also equal to identity. Now we will start from AB square, as we have the result AB square equal to E. AB square can be written as AB into AB, so it has AB into AB. So we can decompose this into two parts, AB into AB, so which is written here. Now we are multiplying both sides by A, so you can write A, you can multiply A in left and here from left. Here we are multiplying by A from both sides from left. Now we will apply associativity. We will apply associativity on these two elements and we will remain it as it. So this composition can be written as AA into B and this is AB. This is the last element which is remain again as it. We know that AE can be written as A, directly written as this is A square, and we know that A square equal to E, which is given in our statement. So the value of this is E. Again this is E into B is B, and this is AB, and this is equal to A. Similarly, we can apply, now we have written here AB equal to, we are again applying associativity here. So this BA can be clubbed in one bracket and this B will comes here. So again we are applying here associativity. So BA equal to B into A. That, so we have proved that BA into B this is equal to A. On multiplying both sides by B, we can get BA into B and B, this will be equal to AB. Here we are applying B from right side. Now this result B into B, this is again B square, and the value of B square is identity. So if we multiply this BA with this identity, we get the result BA. So BA equal to AB. Hence this multiplication is this result is commutative result with respect to multiplication. So if the order of an element A equal to 2, if the order of an element B equal to 2 and the order of their product is also 2, it means AB square is also equal to 2, and so these all will be equal to identity this. So in this scenario AB will be equal to BA. It means elements will hold commutativity with respect to multiplication. In our next lecture we will start from dihedral group. In case of any difficulty, please contact me. Thank you.